Okay, this lesson is parts of the triangle on page 146. So I'm going to take 3 sticks and I'm going to make a triangle. So we have 3 sticks, made a triangle. Alright, so today we're going to study the parts of the triangle. So I'm going to show you what they are. So a triangle has 3 sides. Okay, so here are the sides of the triangle. Let's put a little sticky in there. A little tack, hold it in place hopefully. Okay. Then we have a triangle also has 3 angles, just the space in here. 3 angles. I'm going to put this down here. And I'm actually going to mark the angles so you recognize that the angle is really in here, right? It's sort of the middle of what's happening there. Right. Let's mark all 3 of them so that it's clear what the angles are. All right. So every triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Oh, I actually need to change this a little bit. I need to make it this way. Sorry about that. I'm going to move my angle locations. Okay. So my angles are right there. Okay. The triangle also has a base. The side that the triangle is resting on, or that the triangle, the bottom of it, is called the base. All right. Let's just put a little tack in there to keep it from blowing away. Again, I'm outside, guys. It's too beautiful to be inside. Okay, the vertex is the corners. Okay, it's where 2 sides come together. That's the vertex. So we have 3 vertices. 3 vertices. The perimeter is actually the distance around. So if you pretend you're a little ant and you're traveling from here, boom, 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 all the way around, the distance that you travel is called the perimeter. That's called the perimeter. Okay. And finally, we have the area of the triangle, which is the section that's inside, the plane that's inside this whole area is called the area. Okay, kind of makes sense. All right. All right, so let me put down, I'm going to put down some of these cards in a place where you can see them. Okay, let me move the camera over a little bit. All right. And at this point, I would ask the children to remove the, I'm just going to take this out for a minute so we can see better. I would ask the children to remove the labels and to match them to the appropriate pictures. Okay? So obviously this is the area, this is the well, it could be the perimeter or the sides. Okay, it doesn't matter. This is the vertex, the corner. This is the base. And of course we have the angle. All right, so the children would remove these and match them to the cards. So here's my vertex. And here's my area. perimeter be this one, and finally the base would be this one. All right? Okay, so there we go. All right. And then we have the definitions of each of these, which are written in your album. And what I would normally do is I would hand these out to, the children, and I would ask them to read it, or if they need help, have a friend help, and then to come and place the definitions next to the nomenclature cards. All right, that's all I'm going to say about this. I know that you did a lot of nomenclature card lessons with Huma, so I presume that she spoke to you about the 3 periods of the nomenclature cards, namely, this is the first period because it gives you the shape and the side. Okay, so the child's not needing to know anything or remember anything that you've given. And that's the first period. The second period is to do a matching with the labels, because that would be the second period. So this period is, this second period is what is the perimeter, what is the sides. They already have the words. And then just the cards without the labels would be the third period, show me. Okay, so this is what is the perimeter, and show me the perimeter. So there's your 3-period lesson. All right, guys, please check your album. There's a lot of nomenclature card lessons, and I will not be presenting them unless there's something special. So please make sure that you're looking at your album for all the presentations and notating them as you need to for your album to be, nice and colorful and annotated so that it's useful to you no matter what lesson you go to. All right, so beware, I'm not going to be going through every nomenclature lesson. There's just too many, and they're all the same. All right, thank you.